Good afternoon, teacher. Today I am going to present my info about Van and Tir investigation report. My name is Deborah Esther Aguilar Ordóñez, and this inform have one introduction, second development, and third bibliography reference. An introduction. Currently, today's company seeks to have a purpose where it is to maximize their benefits, diversify investments, and make better decisions. And development, first BAM. According to Baca, Lydia, Mabel Fajardo et al. 2019, in his article called Net Present Value and Internal Rate of Return and Invest Evaluation Parameters, they tell us that the BAM is a method of invest analysis that is used to know the possibility for profitability of a financial project as well as its viability. The net present value results from subtracting the sum of the discount flows from the initial investment. When to use the BAM? Typically, companies look for this variable when they want to normalize net cash flow, that is to convert all the amount of money produced of deposit into a single number. So you can use it if you want to know if this company's net profit is enough or is it a loss. Example for BAM. Let's suppose an invest break where we want to ask whether or not to open a bakery. The cost of this initial invest is 70,000 soles, and we want it to be profitable for use as new partners in 3 years, during which we expect cash flow of 25,000 soles, 27,300 soles, and 29,100 soles, with a discount rate of 4%. I talk about tier. According to Marquez and Castro 2015, they indicate that the tier, on the other hand, is that interest rate that makes the update value of income equal to the update value of cost. That is, makes the bound equal to zero. In other words, the tier is the discount rate with which the present value of the benefits is equal to the present value of the cost. If the tier is equal to or greater than the opportunity cost of capital, the invest pays its cost and is profitable. When to use the tier? It is used to know if the money in the business is profitable or not. The problem is that the result of applying this formula cannot be compared with the result of other projects because other variables affect profitability. Example the tier. To carry out a project, a company has to make an initial invest of 10,000 soles, from which it expects to obtain two cash flows, one of one of 4.000 soles the first year and another of 9.000 soles the second year. To calculate the interest rate of return, we can do it in two ways. Using the TIR formula, for which we equal the band to 0. The TIR is the unknown that must be calculated and solved. Therefore, the interest rate of return is equal to 0.17. So the return on invest will be 17%. Thank you.